today we're going to be unboxing the Single Swag small box. So Single Swag has two different size boxes. One is the large, which comes with about 8 items, and the other one is the small, which comes with about 4 items. And just like BoxyCharm, it comes with a little card to let us know the value of each item. The cost of the small Single Swag box is $25. And from the advertisements I've seen, it's supposed to come with items that are just like really kind of girly and just things that you would use at home for your own like personal happiness, I guess, like cookies or books. And I was actually surprised we didn't get any snacks in our box, and that's probably because we got the smaller box. But I was very satisfied with the items that we did get, so let me get going to show you guys. So the first item they gave us is a lavender and sea salt scented spongel. And if you guys haven't seen these before, these are amazing. It's just a sponge and it's got some kind of soap on it, so you get it wet. This box says that it works for at least 15 plus washes, and I just really love the smell of these and the feel of them. They get super bubbly when they're wet. These are super awesome quality, so I'm glad to have another one. And the retail value of this item is $20. The next item they gave us is a piece of jewelry. I'm not a huge fan of getting jewelry in boxes because I have very particular taste. This necklace has a retail value of $68, and I think it's kind of cute. It's not something I'd pick out on my own, but I do think it's really sparkly, and I definitely will wear this. I'm actually gonna put it on now. Cute. So that was a really nice item. The next item they sent us has a retail value of $28, and it is a beach chic pouch. So essentially it's just a little makeup bag. This is cute though. And the last item they sent us is the Deep Sea Cosmetics Hand and Body Lotion with Shea Butter, and this has a retail value of $28. So it's just a little bottle of lotion. It smells like lotion you would get at a beachside hotel, so it's a little weird. I don't know that I will personally use this one, but I loved the other item so much that I'm not like mad that there's one item that's kind of a dud. So overall, I think this box had a really good feel to it. I think it's totally worth the price. It's kind of like FabFitFun, but without the fitness aspect to it, you know? They definitely seem to give you a good value for the price of the box. This whole box together had a retail value of $144. So definitely worth it. Even if you're in a relationship, I feel like you would still have fun getting the Single Swag box just because it's fun things. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you again. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. Bye.